Hello student, welcome to our history class. From last video we starting our second lesson of civics, diversity in society. In that videos we completed some points 2.1, 2.2, 2.3. Then now let us start the can you do it. You too many have made some compromises. Some such experience are given below. Adds more experience of your own. The hall is packed full of students. You see person standing, you move over little on your bench to make room for the person. You want a second point is you want a cycle with gears, but your parents have to pay your sister's school fees. You give up your demand. Your family was able to sort out dispute with neighbor over the boundary of field without going to the court. Your neighbor's Sopan is now a good friend of yours. Write in your opinion in your notebook. For this point, 3 points, write your opinion in your notebook. Our next point is an opportunity to perform different roles. An opportunity to perform different roles for society. In society, we play different roles. When we live in society, we play different roles. Each individual has several roles, and the responsibilities and duties of every roles are well defined. While playing these roles at home and outside, when we play this role whenever in home or outside, we form bonds with many people. However, changes may occur in the parts we play. Try this. Here student, next point is try this. Look at the picture on the next page. Spot the picture that clearly defines your role today. Discuss the new roles that you will have to carry out after 20 years. In this students, some pictures. Here in middle center, you, student, son, daughter of your parents, grandson, granddaughter of your grandparents, member of Friends of Children Society, cleanliness ambassador, sports person, class representative, member of your friends circle in the school. Here many roles you play in your society. Our last point is regulation of society. In order that society functions smoothly, some rules are required. Our fourth point is regulation of society. In order that society functions smoothly, some rules are required. In ancient times, society was mostly regulated with the help of traditions. But in modern times, along with traditions, laws are needed. Law in different form, tradition and customs. The regulation of society through laws and tradition is carried out by different organization and institution. The government bodies at the local level also play an important role in the process of regulation of society. In last point, we complete the regulation of society. What is the regulation of society? In order that society functions smoothly, some rules are required. In ancient times, society was mostly regulated with the help of tradition. But our time, in modern times, along with traditions, laws are needed. For this tradition, laws are very important. Laws is different from tradition and customs. Law is different from tradition and customs. The regulation of society through laws and tradition is carried out by different organizations and institutions. The government bodies at the local level also play an important role in process of regulation of society. Here complete our lesson number 2 of civics, diversity in society.